Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying a backup and signing into the correct Drive account. This prevents accidental loss. Once signed in, switch to the folder that contains the items you intend to remove and use single-click or shift-click to highlight multiple files. Make sure to check file sizes and shared settings so you understand who else might lose access. If a folder is shared, consider informing collaborators. After selection, look for the trash or delete icon at the top. That is your immediate action point. Once items are selected, click the trash icon or right-click and choose Remove to move them into trash. This is reversible until you empty trash. Make sure to review trash contents because some systems retain items for a retention period. Emptying trash is the final permanent step. If files were shared, go to the sharing settings and revoke access to avoid lingering links. Also confirm storage usage drops after deletion, and if not, refresh the interface to reflect updated quotas and space freed. You finish by emptying trash to permanently remove items and then verify that your storage quota reflects the freed space. Once done, clear local caches or resync if you use a desktop sync client so deleted files don't reappear from an out-of-date cache. If you accidentally deleted something, restore immediately from your backup or the trash before the retention period ends. If files persist or reappear, check for multiple accounts, conflicting sync folders, or third-party apps that may be restoring content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.